Hello children, how are you? I hope everyone is fine. Am I right children? Yeah. In today's class, what we are going to discuss? So everyone know very well, right? So by seeing the board only you can tell. What is that? Today, which lesson ST? Second lesson. So everyone write the heading ST2 and write acids and bases. The lesson name also write acids and bases. So as it is a same, the first ST how you wrote in the same way. In the first Roman, answer the following. Answer the following means 3 question and answers I will give. Okay, 1 question carries 3 marks. So it is a like short answer question I will give. So 3 question and answers 3 marks. So 1 question carries 3 marks. So 3 3s are 9. And in the second one, fill in the blanks. And in the second one, fill in the blanks. So fill in the blanks. So 5 ones are 5. So 5 fill in the blanks I will give. In the 5 fill in the blanks. So each blank carries 1 marks. That is, so 5 into 1, 5 marks. And in the third Roman, answer the following. So 1 question I will give. So 1 question carries for 5 marks. So 1 question carries 5 marks. Okay. I hope everyone understood this very well. Right? Yeah. So everyone open your ST books. Open your ST books. So keep the heading like this. So I will tell the question and answers. So now start writing the ST. Yeah children. So everyone open your books. The first question. First one. What are natural indicators? The first one. What are natural indicators? So what is the meaning of natural indicator? And the examples are there no for the natural indicators. That names of the natural indicators you have to write. The first one is what is a natural indicator? You have to explain and write the examples. Okay, what is natural indicator and write the examples. Yeah children. And the second one. And in the second one, see here children, second one. Why are acids not stored in a metal container? Why are acids not stored in a metal container? So why we will not store the acids in a metal container? So what will present in the acid? So everyone know very well, no? So what is the reactions? This example I have given. Or if you are using the vessels, the metal vessels or copper vessels, I said this example also. So by this, what is the reaction of the acids? That you can take an examples and you can write. So what will happen if it is present in the metal acids? If you are pouring acids in the metal, what will happen? So you have to write. Why are acids not stored in a metal container? Why are acids not stored in a metal container? Yeah children? Yeah. Second question completed, no? Third one. Visit a doctor, find out the medicines. Visit a doctor, find out the medicines she prescribes to treat acidity. Ask her how acidity can be naturally prevented. Prepare a report. So once again I am telling you, visit a doctor, find out the medicines she prescribes to treat acidity. Ask her how acidity can be naturally prevented. Prepare a report. So 3 question and answers completed now. Now second Roman, fill in the blanks. So first Roman 3 question and answers I have given you. So in the second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, sulfuric acid is a dash acid. Sulfuric acid is a dash acid. The substance that turns red litmus to blue litmus are in dash nature. Yeah, children, the substance which will turn the red litmus to blue. Industrial waste gases contain. So what are the waste? I already said three names. No, see in that one name if you are writing also enough. Okay. The gas present in soda water is dash. The gas present in soda water is dash. Acid plus metal gives rise to salt plus dash. So the first one, sulfuric acid is a dash of acid. The second one, the substances that turns red litmus to blue are in dash nature. And in the third one, industrial waste gases contains dash. And the fourth, the gas present in soda water is dash. And in the last one, acid plus metal gives rise to salt plus dash. Salt plus dash. So till here the fill in the blanks also completed. Now the last one, 5 marks. This carries 5 marks, no? So I'll give an activity. Okay, so which is the activity which is there, no? That I'll give as a 5 marks question. So what do you feel the easy one? So one activity and one question also I'll give. So that is also simple only. That is important one also. The activity is the very easy activity. To prepare a turmeric indicators. How to prepare a turmeric indicators will be there, no? That one. So everyone, I want the diagram. So first you have to write aim. Materials required. So in the first one, aim, materials required. So procedure, result, and in the left side I want diagram. So this one, no? So I said one activity and also one question. Write about acid rains. Write about acid rain. So first one is you have to write the activity, how to prepare a turmeric indicators. How to prepare a turmeric indicators, and in the next one, what are acid rains? So how the acid rains will cause? I said 3 names also, like the waste, what are the present gases, from that gases we will get, and what are the causes for acid rains, and what are the so how will affect by the acid rains, that also you have to write. So this is the end of your ST. So everyone know very well, right? I no need to repeat this. So in the first ST how you wrote. So you have to sit along with your parents. So who is available with you? So right now if you are seeing the video, your father is beside you or your mother is beside you. or if they both are not there with you, but they are available in your house, no, either your father or either your mother will be with you. So go and sit along with them. So along with your father or along with your mother. I already said before itself, if she is in the kitchen, go inside the kitchen, sit in the corner and write. And also this time one more option I am giving for slow learners. The slow learners will be there, no? Don't keep the ST book empty. Just at least, so what I have given the question and answers, you know, no? So read that question and answers and try to write the ST. This option is only for slow learners, not for average and the fast learners. Don't take the lenience and don't take, I know who are slow and who are fast and average. So if you are taking the lenience and if you are telling, ma'am, you said no, you can, once we can read and we can write. I know about you people and I know. So everyone, slow learners, try to do that. So don't keep your books empty. Try to read and write. I hope everyone understood. So what you have to write in the ST. I want neat handwriting. So I didn't said no. So in the first how is this? First 1 mark is for handwriting. No, that is common. So 3 3s are 9, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and 1 mark is for handwriting. Okay, children. I hope everyone is clear up to here. So this is our ST. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.